Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see on the title, this video is going to be all about soft glam makeup, as you can see right there. So if you're interested in finding out how I created this natural gorgeous look, so please continue watching. So the foundation I'll be using is from Krellens in the shade 118, and this shade, it really matched my skin tone. Like, it's exactly like it's the right shade, because sometimes I have a struggle of like finding the perfect match for my skin. I'm always like in between. So but this was good, and this is my favorite foundation. To be honest, this foundation is bomb. Like, you just put it on your skin right there, and it's like giving you that fine finished look, and it can last for the whole day. Like, the whole day this makeup will look bomb. Like, it's kind of matte and just cute, like very cute. So this is the foundation that I'll be using to create this soft glam. Wow, you guys, this foundation is bomb. I just love it. And to be honest, I love skin video. Like, such soft glams are just my kind of favorite. Like, got to go, like I'm going to work, I'm going to school, like it's just my type of makeup that I really enjoy. And okay, and I'm going in with my concealer from NYX, Can't Stop Won't Stop, in the shade what shade is this? Sorry, I don't remember the shade, but I'll leave it down below the description box so you can check it out. So I'm trying to use not much concealer as possible, because as the title says, it's all about soft glam. I'm trying to make it as soft as possible, and I just don't want to be, I don't want to over highlight my face or over contour it. So I'm trying to make it as soft as possible. And this concealer, guys, it's cool. If I have to give it rating, I'll give it 8 out of 10. So I love this concealer. It's just so, it sits so perfect. I mean, so good and soft. It just doesn't give you some weird look. And to set my concealer, I'll go in with my setting powder from High Tech NYX. And this setting powder, guys, it's so cool. Like, as long as you're using your sponge just to just press it in the skin there, because if you're trying to set your face nicely, you must not like rub, but you must like really blend this into your concealer just to give it a finished look, but not like cakey or powdery, but just to finish it up so great. So thank you guys for tuning into my YouTube channel. So please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that button and subscribe. And to contour my face, I'll be using uh, the dark shade from the powder from, where did I got this? I bought this at Fit Me, if I remember. So this is what I'll be using to contour my face. Ooh, contouring, my favorite part. And today I decided not to use like a liquid contour, because to be honest, I don't think there's no need for for liquid contour today, because this is a soft glam and this is just gonna finish up the look, like just gonna make it look cool. There's no need for me to basically do that, and that's it. And I'm just trying to undust a little bit of all of that and contour my my nose. I'm basically using the same contouring shade, and I applied a little bit on my eyelid also. So apply my lashes because I'm not going in with any eyeshadow. I want everything to look super, super natural, very soft, no eyeshadow. So the only thing I put there like eyeshadow is like my contouring powder. And that's it. Now I'm going to highlight my cheekbone using a highlighter from High Tech. This is one of my favorite highlighter. Like I don't like trying different many highlighter, but this is just one of my favorite up among the ones that I tested so far. And on my nose, I prefer using my fingers rather than a brush. I just find it quite comfortable for me. Yes, girl, go and highlight your face, and you're gonna look like. And to contour my lips, I'll be using my lip pencil from LA Girls in the dark chocolate shade. And for my lips, I'm trying to make it nude as possible. I don't want to have very, very brighter. And I will go in with my lip gloss that in nude. And that's it, guys. That's the final. That's the end. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And for those who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And for my subscriber, thank you very much for watching. This lipstick is bomb. Like it looks so matchy with my lips. Like wow. What do you think? And I go in with a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes just to give it the finish look. To set my face, I'll be using a setting spray from Makeup Revolution. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below the description box what you think of this soft glam tutorial that I have created. Give me your opinion and tell me what you love to see on my next video. Thank you very much. See you on my next video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you always be notified when I'm posting a new video, guys. And voila, that's the end. I love this look. I love the outcome. Wow. See ya.